First, tear off the anti-wear strip. Paste it along the edge of the rim protector on the backside. The effect is like this. And you can paste the anti-wear strip just below this position. Just tear it apart. Second, find the valve stem hole. Align and fasten. Turn counterclockwise. Count 3 buckles and secure them tightly. Count 3 buckles again and secure them tightly. Count 2 buckles again and secure them tightly. Finally, firmly fasten the remaining clips one by one. If you don't have enough strength, hold the tire and press. Rub thumb downward, it like this. If you are at the bottom and are not motivated, you can drive the car forward or backward. Let the bottom buckle go up. Just make sure each one clicks in. Finally, let me tell you how to disassemble it. Put your finger on the buckle. A downward pulling motion. Don't pull horizontally. You can't pull it apart by pulling it flat. Demonstrate on the wheel. Just pull it down, and it will come down.